Hi guys, welcome to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my aloe vera soap. My oil is ready: beeswax, coconut olive and castor oil. And we're going to start by pouring the lye solution through this strainer that is almost giving up but is still working. And the lye solution is infused with aloe vera and spinach. Let's do some pressing to extract all the aloe vera and the spinach juice. I know my soap is going to be sticky because I've added a lot of aloe vera, and I'm using the spinach for the coloring of my soap so it looks green. So we are done with this. So now it's time to stir. I'm not going to use a stick blender as I have beeswax in my mixture. So now later I'm going to trace. And I'm not looking for a thick trace, but just a light one. And I apologize that my battery died, so I wasn't able to film the addition of oil and honey. Now it's time to pour. I'm using this beautiful round mold. To all my subscribers, thank you, and please subscribe. Yeah, let's do some pouring. It looks green, not a very bright green, you know, when you use natural stuff. So I'm gonna cover my soap with this plastic. I always use it whenever my soap has honey. Yeah, the following evening it's time to unmold. So let's pull off this plastic. I just hope my soap is decorated. Oh wow, the decorations look amazing. My soap doesn't look all that smooth. I think I was too thirsty to unmold. However, it's sticky and it doesn't look that bad. I'll just wait for it to cure. Look at that. Not bad at all. This is the final result. Yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Like, share. Bye.